Okay.
Right, good idea on this.
I know, right? You need the wrist strap. Always use the wrist strap, okay? That includes Wii's and light sticks. Anyway, so we're gonna unbox. What are we unboxing, Brittany? Do you know?
No.
Brittany doesn't know.
I don't know.
BTS Memories 2018. Yes, another unboxing, because apparently I have nothing better to do with my money. Okay!
That's a good way to use your money.
Speak up, Brittany. The audience can't hear you.
It's a good way to use your money.
Alright. So we also have the poster here, which Brittany's gonna open. Because she's got the nails. Don't break them.
No, I won't break it.
So it comes with like a wall scroll, because I pre-ordered directly from the WePly website. Shipping was a bitch, but it was here in like 7 business days.
Yeah, that was pretty
From
impressive.
Korea.
Okay, I love how, like, I did this earlier.
Oh my god.
Okay, you saw earlier?
Don't hit me. She's gonna hit me. You saw that, right? She's gonna hit me.
I'm not gonna...
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Man, this unboxing needs to be under like 15 minutes.
Oh, well, that's not...
We're already in 1 minute, 5 seconds. Oh, okay. We're gonna help speed this up.
Yay!
There we go. Woo! Brittany did it!
Where's the wine?
We already finished it.
Yep. That determines...
It's actually sangria, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Ooh. We haven't seen this either. I literally just got this in the mail, so...
Okay, nothing else.
Okay.
That one, making sure nothing else is in there.
There shouldn't be anything else. Okay. I'm gonna... Is it this way? Oh, okay. Closer. Okay, now take a look because you didn't get to see it.
Aww!
Cute. Ooh woo. Please ignore it. I'm
Sorry,
like
okay.
cuddled up here because the frame's really bad, really small. Anyway. Okay, so are you done?
Yeah, I'm just throwing it back. You
Right
can
then.
open the
Okay, this is already a mess. Alright, so we got it here. Okay, hopefully, like last time we unboxed it, like the photo card was like right there. Oh, it's right there. Photo card's right there. Fuck. Okay. I
Where
mean,
did you want the photo card?
usually you're like, oh, it's like a surprise and you kind of open it, but like this starts like right in front, so I guess we're gonna spoil it. Okay. Are you gonna hold it? You're holding it? Okay. Oh, guess who we got? We got Jin. Yeah. Ooh woo. Cute. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh.
Technical difficulties, Brittany. Oh my gosh, the whole thing's come out. Thanks for that.
Wow. It's literally a binder.
Yeah, like don't you remember the last time? I know it's been a while, like a full year. Thank you, Brittany. Oh my god, this is a mess. And I don't know how to edit, so this is gonna be a problem. Okay. That's definitely gonna be the thumbnail. Me just like. Alright, so we got this one. Oh, this is at Mama when they talked about they might have disbanded. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Come
we're gonna
closer.
keep this at
Come
15
closer.
minutes.
There we go. Woo. I know. J-Hope's already in tears. I was like, don't cry.
No crying.
Alright. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, here we go.
Wow.
Oh, so hello.
Hello.
So it says here we got, can we see here? Sort of see?
I think so.
Okay. So it says we got Love Yourself Tear, and the jacket shooting, Love Yourself Answer, jacket photo shooting, J-Hope's mixtape, Airplane, and Daydream music video, Love Yourself Wonder, Euphoria, making photograph, I don't really know what that means, BTS prom party review and preview, and BTS special moments.
Ooh.
All right.
Wow, that was off to a good start.
I know. Look at these. Feel these posts.
Wow.
I know. Okay, so Love Yourself Tear. All right. Brittany, you're not in frame. Okay. Making funny faces at the camera.
Good job.
Jacket photo shooting. This is for the version I got of Tear. When they were like trying to get Cookie to smile.
Oh.
They're like a baby.
Oh my god.
From Tear. I think it's like the Y version? Y version.
Dang.
Hello, sir. How dare you be that perfect?
Oh my god.
I know, right? Okay.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. Brittany could take just as good a picture.
Oh my god.
Call her.
So cute.
Call her.
Oh, I would be crying.
I know. How dare you? I'm upset.
Very
So
upset.
Jimin looks like he's like sunburned. He's like, this hurts.
Oh, a little bit.
See, it says regret on his shirt.
When you
It's
regret wearing
regret.
SPF.
Yeah, I know. Ooh.
I'm getting moody.
Tear, yes. Tear was a great era, y'all.
That it was.
We're definitely not in frame. Like, both of us cannot be in this frame. This is a one-person operation. But thank you for holding it. This is beautiful. All right. Yum, yum. Biceps for days. Sorry.
Well, thank God we
blind.
ate.
Wow, I just clocked that. Okay. Brittany, she's a nasty girl, you know.
Oh, shush.
We won't be
Well,
telling.
it's unacceptable when Jungkook can be so perfect.
I know. Can you tell who her bias is? Yes.
Well, Sugar's up here trying to ruin it.
Bias wrecker. Yes.
That's the frame.
Oh, so cute.
Aww.
I don't know what's wrong with these. Like, who's gonna keep? That's not gonna keep you warm. Like, that would definitely not keep you warm. You'd be like, my elbows are cold.
But fashion is not
fashion.
practical.
Apparently not.
No.
Unless I mean.
Oh, it opens.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Oh.
Just a lot of sighing. This one opened? No.
No.
Okay, just wanted to check. Ooh, these are from the what is it? U version? I think it's U version of Tier. This is my favorite picture of RM. Like, I thought about making it my lock screen.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize that was on.
I know.
I'll have to photograph that after.
Ooh woo. Ooh woo. I love. This is like you surprised me.
You're trying to be surprised. And
I know.
Oh. Ooh. Well,
This is the best version.
Some next level of Levi's advertisement happening up in here.
I know. Well, it goes like light and then like a little lighter. Like
Go a little light to dark. You got a little yin and yang.
And then finally sugar and like the darkness. Oh, where's
Hello?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, they're all there. Just wanted to check.
Numbers.
I just gotta check. Okay, and then you see a little bit of like Jimin's like Calvin Klein's there. Did anybody else remember
Wait,
dying
what?
on that? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And then you see RM's too. Okay, sir.
We're just
PG here.
nothing is PG when it comes to these boys.
Oh, that's well, yeah.
Ooh. Like that.
Yeah. Oh, V's comeback trailer.
trailer.
That was such a good video. Like, I saw it in concert. Chills, yo. Chills. Chills. Like, this picture, I know it took a lot of people time to be like, is that his hand? That's his hand.
That. Yeah.
You could take that picture for sure, Brittany.
Oh, you're. I love you. Give me appreciation of Crystal the entire time.
Tay with a mullet. We're loving it. I don't really like mullets, but we do.
We love it on him.
You're barely in the picture. Let's just turn it to you for a quick
Oh,
sec.
no.
You're still there.
I'm just still trying to look at the pictures, too.
I know.
I'll
Some are all in, like, clothes. Like, Hogwarts! You're a wizard!
Yes!
Like,
what would they be if they were in houses?
hold that
They were
thought.
houses.
We'll discuss later.
Yeah.
Sugar with the curly, like, wavy, crimped hair. Very, like, I know, really
Whoa,
2000.
I don't know how to feel about that.
I love it.
I love the little streak of color.
I know. That's very early 2000s, though.
That's a very 2000s vibe.
Alright, yes.
I'm okay with that.
V, oh, cute. Oh.
Hogwarts! What is this for?
Fake love.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's for the extended version with The Rock. Did you not see that? I'm pretty sure I showed it to you.
Probably. We're not even halfway and it's at 8 minutes.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna have to speed this up. This is gonna be a long one. I could just tell.
Or if you want to try turning the page from here.
Wait, oh, down here?
Or like while we're at this close to the screen.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
This is so nice. Jacket photo shooting. Oh, this is answer. Okay. This was a mood. Like, I don't know how to feel about some of this fashion. But it works, but like I would never wear any of this.
You would never see it in real life.
And I would never wear any of this.
Mm-hmm.
Like, at all. Sorry.
Maybe like parts.
Oh, this is the one that's like ethereal one? Ethereal? Is that how you say it?
That's beautiful.
I know. Arm winking is like my kryptonite.
Oh my god. That were the little bubbles? Oh
yeah,
no,
but it's only like
look at this.
Okay, we have to go quick because Brittany's having problems.
Oh.
I love how you're like just like owing the entire time. Good to know. Good to know. Cute.
Aww.
Oh, that's such a. I love that jacket. Okay.
Getting like unique little vibes.
I know. Oh, this was like my favorite version.
Aww,
Ooh woo. I know. I say it in real life.
I know, that's the best part. Is
all you see is like arms, like super long legs in some of these photos.
I was gonna say when your leg's so long it doesn't even reach the photo.
I know.
Damn.
He looks about 10 years old.
Unacceptable after seeing this long hair.
I know.
Oh,
so cute.
So beautiful.
All right, come back, Epiphany. Here we go, Jin.
Oh no.
Jin,
Oh,
yes, sir.
Right.
This song gave me chills in concert too.
We need the notification.
Notification squad. No, like. Oh.
Wow.
This was such a... Are they eating? Of course they're eating. I
Of
should know
course.
those two.
Hey, you gotta, if you want to look that beautiful, you gotta eat.
Yeah, but they're eating... Looks like they're eating a lot of junk. Idol,
That's okay.
which was, again, a mood.
That was such a... Those glasses?
I know.
A mood.
Oh,
the red hair.
Oh. Ta-da!
Wow. When you have to be so extra, you get your own page.
I know, right?
Like,
I don't know what Jimin's wearing in this, but again, these things work.
Is that RM making that face?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
It looks so good. Looks good.
You're not even in the frame now.
I know I'm not, but nobody came here to see me, so...
I came here to see you. So.
Oh, sweet. We've definitely been drinking. A little too sapsy. Oh,
hello. That was a look.
Hello, sir. This is the... So you know the Mattel dolls that are coming out?
Yeah.
This is what they're based off. Like the...
That's
The Mattel dolls are a little creepy, though, sometimes. I don't know why.
You know you made it big when you get your own doll.
I like the Funko Pops better.
Oh, yeah.
Jimin's Funko always has, like, the shoulder where it just, like... It just comes off. And I'm like, yeah, that is so him. That's a mood. Ooh, next shot. Brittany's, like, hot and bothered.
Just angry. Where's a fan? I need a fan. Oh,
Sorry, we don't have that. We just have AC like normal people.
Whatever. Well,
these were all real looks.
Oh.
Okay, J-Hope.
Woo.
Ooh. I love these, like... You can't feel them, but they're, like, plasticky, yeah.
Oh, it's like that clear material and you print it on that.
Yeah,
oh,
I don't know what you call it. Ooh, ooh.
Put your face to it. You gotta see your glasses.
I think my mom texted me that the other day.
Oh.
Or texted me? Maybe she said it on the phone.
Maybe.
This is when his mixtape came out. I showed you his mixtape, right?
Yeah.
Look at this hairstyle. I love it.
Aww. Just such a nice look.
You know, and it's like curly hair. He kind of looks like Timmy Turner.
Oh my god, he
From
does.
like Fairly Odd Parents, right here.
Odd
Parents. We were definitely off key.
Yeah, that's right.
There you go.
I'm never on key.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, that lighting did change outside.
I told you, lighting changes. Oh, he looks so young
Really,
here.
of all the pictures we choose.
I know. Let's get closer. Okay.
We have 3 minutes?
We're definitely not going to do this in 3 minutes. Oh my god.
Well, we got pretty far.
Euphoria.
Oh,
Euphoria.
beautiful.
They look like they're not wearing that much makeup, but I know they are because they're shooting photos, but... Oh, I don't pretend to understand the
I
storyline.
don't need to understand no storyline to know
I just know it's brilliant. How's that? Eventually I'll buy the notes so I can kind of understand. Them goofing off. So cute.
Aww.
See, they're like acting for the camera, but I'm sure this is the way they are usually anyway.
Probably.
This jacket is so iconic.
Oh my
but
god,
also,
the top
like,
is
sold out.
expression.
Yeah.
It's just like scared.
It's like, ugh. I don't know who's taking these pictures, but like them with their mouths open and like...
Your phone. Your thing.
Cute. Like angels.
Oh, they're actual angels.
Angel. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Another one of our holographic see-through.
Yes,
pictures.
prom party.
Oh, this
I
should
did
be
watch
interesting.
this Festa. Last year's Festa, which was lit. When them practicing.
Aww.
Yeah, I watched this behind the scenes. RM shirt is, I love this shirt. I could never wear it though, because like you have to be lanky.
You could wear that.
No, it just makes me look short. Like it have to be like you. I have to be like
no,
you.
but you could wear a big belt. Belt and wear like a shirt dress.
I mean, I guess I could. But
And wear your cute running shoes styles, your black ones.
I guess I could. Oh, look at they're all wearing their characters with the headbands.
Oh my god, these characters, I die.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing my shirt too. Yeah, there you go. All right.
On the back says Toronto, right?
Yes, it does.
Oh, you okay?
Ooh. They're like asking you to prom.
Oh my god.
Or asking each other. I don't know. I don't pretend to understand. I know.
Unacceptable.
Brittany's upset. Like, upset. Oh, this is a Michael Jackson tribute, black and white.
What?
Yeah, we'll watch it later. I thought I showed you. Brittany, just hold up the book, man. I know your arms are tired, but... You're here to work. No, okay.
I'm here to work.
I paid you in wine.
Ooh.
That was good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that striped shirt. Okay.
I know. Look at his shoulders. Very wide. I love. Oh, an RM shirt is I love that.
Wow.
I love. There you go.
I went to adjust my glass. Woo!
Cherry.
Wait, is that sugar?
No.
No.
She's not good with the members yet. Don't roast her. This is V.
Damn it! Oh, because I'm so screwed up because Sugar and the other album was just like wrecking my heart. Being a bias breaker. So no.
At Mama.
Ooh.
Won Album of the Year, Artist of the Year, first ever to. Like, we stand kings.
We stand.
I've never said that actually out loud before.
Yeah, that's a strange thing to say.
Yeah.
We stand. But it makes sense when you write it.
Yeah, Twitter speak. I spend too much time on Twitter.
I don't know how to feel about that crimped hair. That's different.
I know. I was like...
I love his straight hair.
I'm like, is it 2009? 5? 4?
4?
I'd say 2004.
Heck, if we're close to 3.
A lot of heavy makeup. Love them in eyeliner.
That we do.
Oh, the BBMAs. Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, the Grammy Museum.
Ooh.
The interview. Yeah. Mm-hmm. They were so serious and so like in awe.
He's not serious. He's just a lost child.
I know, he looks a little odd, but he was good in it. Oh, this is on America's Got Talent, I think.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, Tyra Banks like petitioned them to come on. I know.
Okay. Oof.
I know. These pants are tight. Are their pants tight enough? Like, God.
Probably.
Oh, Brittany's like found a new wallpaper.
You damn right I did.
Ooh. Cha-ching. Oh, and then speaking at the UN.
Ooh.
I love the finger heart. And anybody does it? Oh, God, Brittany. There we go.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, let's change my nose.
Yes. I think one of them, who was it? One of the members said something about, like, I don't know, I didn't really know what you were saying, but it sounded impressed. Like, impressive. Oh. It's in English, right?
I remember hearing that too. I don't know what you said, but it's impressive.
Oh, a mood.
Oh my God. Mood.
We love. They know what he's saying in their heart. Oh, opens.
Oh!
Oh, hello, sirs.
Hello.
They look so, like, radiant and, like, happy.
And just beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, easy cover girl.
Is that the slogan? I don't think that's the slogan.
Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Close enough.
Brittany doesn't wear makeup.
Cool.
Like, at all.
Nope.
Except lipstick. Oh, and that's the president of Korea, eh?
Oh my gosh!
South Korea, yeah. They went in for the hug.
Aww.
He, like, hugged them and whatever, and Jungkook, like, put his like, chin on his shoulder. I was like it was, like, his grandfather or something.
Oh my God.
It was so adorable. And then they have, oh my God. Here we go. Cultural Merit Award. Really important. First K-pop group 2. Youngest recipients of the award. Everybody else is, like, middle-aged or above, I think.
Damn.
Yep, there they are winning it. We stand intellectuals. I'm gonna stop talking like we're on Twitter.
It's a mood.
Oh, this was MGA? G Music Awards. Oh, this is when he was singing with Charlie Puth. Or as he calls it, Charlie Puth. For the longest time. It was so adorable. I'm like, oh.
Wow.
I'm glad he had fun, though. Like, I don't really know much about Charlie Puth, but glad they had fun. Mm-hmm. And they won a bunch of awards. That's a hug.
Even better. You're going to have fun if you win awards.
I know, right? Asian Artist Awards.
Love that.
These are all these awards they went to, and it's like, damn.
God
so
damn
much.
it. When you have to have your own
Yeah,
album.
award season was a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, Melon was my favorite end of the year award season. Like, it was an extravaganza for Idol. I'm pretty sure I showed you that. It was like a
that's a vibe.
Airplane Part 2 at Melon.
Damn. That red hair is so vibrant.
I know, right?
Like, damn.
They're also on I think they're on 2 day song at Melon. I can't remember. They won a lot, okay?
Clearly.
Super sweaty. We like it. Yes. Oh, Fake Love. Ooh. That was really cool. I remember watching that.
Oh my
Ampan Man.
Yes.
Mama in Japan. The camera work was horrendous, but they were great.
Oh.
Mama in Japan. They won, I think, Global Artist or something.
Yeah. Yes, I could definitely see that.
Mama in Hong Kong.
Ooh. Hello.
I know, right? It's a mood. We're going pretty fast now, because, like, this is way too long.
I thought you said it would cut off at 15 minutes.
No, it wouldn't cut off. I just said I want it to be under 15.
Oh, yeah, that didn't work. Woo!
Again, them crying, and Jimin, of course, going in for the hug, because...
Oh, no.
He never forget, like... foregoes the opportunity to give somebody a hug if they need it.
Oh.
J-Hope crying. We've never seen J-Hope break down like that, so it was, well, not never, but like, we haven't seen it in a while, at least on camera, I think.
Ooh, what's all these?
Credits.
Yay.
Sugar.
Oh,
Track
no.
list. Okay, so we're almost done. So the first disc is all about the prom party, but what I'm really interested in is the Love Yourself World Tour, which is on disc 3. So, where it's, you know, in Canada. Here we go. But yeah, they have a lot of stuff here to watch. It's 5 discs.
What?
And they could have fit more probably if they wanted to, if they wanted to be a million times longer. Oh, it's 4 discs? I think it's 4 discs. My bad. Cute. Are these like postcard sticker things? Like, I'm never using them, but like, they're there. They look like they can feel, they're like serrated.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and then that. Maybe I'll leave that in there to keep it nice. All right. There we go.
Wow.
I know, right? Come in the frame, Brittany. Bye.
Bye.